In this video, I'm going to learn how to make this cinematic title right here in After Effects. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam and I make graphic design and motion design related content right here on YouTube. If that's something that interests you, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos just like this. If you guys want to contact me by joining my motion design community, the link is in the video description. Come say hi to interesting people just like yourself and come and grow together with us. So without talking too much, let's jump right into the video. And before that, please subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers and I'll be eternally grateful if you do. So let's jump in. Okay, so first of all, let's create a new composition, 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second, 6 seconds, click on OK. So first of all, let's get our text. So can you edit text you want? And I'm just going to type in Superman. And can just bring it down and let's align it to the center of our composition here. So I think I still need to reduce the scale a little bit. I think like this is going to be okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Superman layer here, go to animate and enable per character 3D. Now I'm going to go to animate here again and I'm going to add position. So I'm going to go down to position here. I'm going to open up my range selector. So at the beginning of our timeline here, I'm just going to change my offset to -100. Go to and make a keyframe there. Go to 5 seconds here. And I'm just going to change that to 100. Now I'm just going to select it like this. I'm going to hit F9 to easy ease. And I'm going to change my Z position here to -2000. So if you come to the beginning here, you can see it's animating like this. That's cool. Now I'm going to open up advanced, go to my shape and I'm going to change it to ramp up. Now I'm going to easy high, change it to 50%. Easy low, I'm also going to change it to 50%. Then I'm going to click on randomize order. Now I'm going to come up here, I'm going to add property. I'm going to add rotation. Now on my X rotation here, I'm going to put -25. My Y rotation, I'm going to put 50. And my Z rotation, I'm going to put 25. Going back up again, add property. I'm going to add the blur. I'm going to change my blur to 30%. And I'm going to go back up again, add property and opacity. I'm going to change my opacity down to 0. Animation right now is already looking cool. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this my Superman layer and I'm just going to shut off the lower one. And I'm going to bring in this our ramp, our gradient ramp here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the track matte to our Superman layer 1 here. I'm going to my effect and presets panel right here and I'm going to add in turbulent displace. Then on my effect and preset panel again, I'm just going to type in CC glass. We're going to open up surface here. I'm going to change my bump map to my bottom Superman layer. Now, for my softness, I'm going to take it to 0. My height, I'm going to change it to 30. And my displacement, I'm going to put it at 300. I go to my effects and preset panel again, and I go type in cie_𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗍. Going to open up the blobbiness. Change my blob layer here to our Superman layer, and for our softness I'm going to change it down to 10. Then for my shading, let's open up shading. I'm going to change ambient to 10, diffuse also to 10, specular I'm going to leave it at 100, roughness I'm going to change it to 0.5, And for the final metal, I'm going to leave it at 100 like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this my Superman layer here. And from 415 here, I'm going to make a keyframe on my opacity. I'm going to move it down to 5 seconds. And I'm going to change this to 0. Now for my vector layer here, let's open it up also. But to make a keyframe of opacity, come down to 5 seconds here. I'm going to change that to 0. Now I can turn on my Superman 3 layer here. So we have this cool looking fade to white. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new adjustment layer, and I'm just going to add exposure. I'm just going to move my exposure to the top here, and I'm going to change the exposure to 9.34 and my offset to 0.16. So let's see that. It's looking pretty cool. So I'm going to select all these layers I just made, left click, and I'm going to pre-compose them, move all attributes into new composition, click on OK. And I'm going to now add this my final background layer here. So I'm just going to adjust it so that I want the final lens flare here to happen when this has finished. So now when I play it back, you have this cool looking animation right here. So thank you for watching that video. What do you think? Let me know in my comment section. If you have an idea, a question, or anything you just want to say, if you just like hearing me talk, let me know in the comment section, and I'll really be grateful. So from now for the next video, remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly. And now you can watch this video right here, or you can watch this video right here, and I will catch you in that video. Peace.